So far, your reports can filter and drill into data. But sometimes you want more control over how people navigate your reports. In this video, you'll learn how to use bookmarks, buttons, and navigation in Power BI to create an interactive, guided experience. Bookmarks capture the current state of a report page, including filters, slicer selections, and visible visuals. To create one, arrange visuals how you want. Open the Bookmarks pane, click Add, and rename it. You can create multiple bookmarks to show different perspectives, like revenue by product or revenue by region. Buttons make bookmarks useful. A button is an interactive element that triggers an action. Navigating to a page, switching to a bookmark, or opening a link. Insert a button from the Insert tab, choose a style, and set its action property. For example, link it to a bookmark so clicking the button changes the report view. By combining bookmarks and buttons, you can create custom navigation menus. Add buttons for overview, products, and regions. Create bookmarks for each view, and link the buttons. Now clicking products switches the report view, like navigating in an app. Buttons can also link to other pages. Insert a button, set action to page navigation, and choose the target page. This lets you build menus or back buttons across multi-page reports. Use the selection pane with bookmarks to toggle visuals. For example, hide a table, show a chart, and save as chart view. Reverse it and save as table view. Add buttons for chart and table, linking each to its bookmark. Users can now switch between views with one click. Best practices: keep navigation consistent, use clear labels, group bookmarks logically, and don't overload users with too many options. Recap: you learned what bookmarks are, how to create and use buttons, how to combine them for navigation, how to toggle visuals with bookmarks and the selection point, and how to design clean navigation. Now your reports feel like interactive apps. In the next video, we'll explore Power BI and Excel integration, combining the strengths of both tools. See you there.